Quick update on the project here in Ponte Vedra. Things are going well so far. We'll be finishing up early next week. We wanted to make the entrance a little bit more inviting, added some tropical plants. And we'll be coming in next week and finishing the mulch. We got in all of the sod. A few pieces we'll be patching in next week, early next week. And upgraded plants, added some tropical plants. Orange birds of paradise, canna lilies. We'll fill this area with color. Ground cover. There's a little bit more sod. And most of the side we need just a few more pieces to finish this area. But from here you can see the preparation. This is where we put in the high quality soil. The compost under the fresh sod makes a huge difference. Flex plants. These are your ground cover walkway plants. We'll cover all of this next week with some mulch and pine straw. And all of this sod is palmetto, St. Augustine. So it will do really well in the shade. All of this area is covered in shade. So this type of grass loves the shade. We adjusted all the sprinklers, everything's happy. So we just want to make sure all the sprinklers are running. This area, re-leveled. We installed the bulkhead to hold this yard in place. Now they have a nice, inviting lawn back here. It was a negative feeling pit of dirt. Now, you look at this yard, this beautiful tree, and this nice wall, privacy wall. You have a very inviting outdoor room for several years of wonderful family memories. You can almost see folks having a good time out here for 4th of July, right? So this is what we really do, is give you a chance to enjoy yourself a little bit more in the yard. Give us a call, 904-321-9181. Check us out on Instagram, Florida Pro Lawn Care. Stay tuned for the results.